like a Scottish shield. The pointed boss at the center deflects blows from side to side. I've applied this theory to Mycenaean shields, Dark Age medieval shields from the barbarian invasion era, and in my thesis on neuragic combat. As you can see, there are many types of shields can be small or large. This, for example, is a Norman kite shield. Its teardrop shape gives it its common name. Technically called a kite shield, it's not just Norman but used by many groups. It's ideal for lightly armored fighters. In fact, this shield protects the user from foot to face. This is crucial because smaller shields are more portable but less protective. Consider the Roman legionary's shield, which was quite tall. Romans typically wore less armor compared to, say, a medieval knight. Knights used similar armor to Romans, like chainmail or lorica hamata, made of small linked rings. Early medieval knights' shields were very large and protective. As armor evolved, shields shrank from large to small triangular shapes. By late Middle Ages, with full body armor, shields became tiny, like target. These small shields were among the last used, except for Spanish conquistadors' rodelas.